So this is a two-stage RC coupled amplifier. Let us see the working of this two-stage RC coupled amplifier. So up to this point in the figure we have first stage and the second stage are coupled using coupling capacitor. Let us see the purpose of each component in the circuit. First, here the resistor RB and VCC along with VCC in the first stage, in the each stage is going to provide biasing, necessary biasing to the amplifier. So VCC and RB, VCC and RB for biasing, they are used for biasing. And so with the help of this VCC and RB, with the help of this VCC and RB, VCC and RB, we are going to fix the base current, and thereby it fixes the IC constant. So that is called, we have called as Q point, Q point. So this is the fixing IC constant is called somewhere is called as a selecting the operating point. So that VCC and RB are used as the biasing, used for biasing of the amplifier, used for biasing, fixing the base current, and thereby with the help of VCC RB we will fix the base current constant. It's a constant, it's some value, thereby the collector current, because the collector current IC is beta times of IB. So when IB is constant, by using RB and VCC, since RB and VCC are constant, IB is going to be constant. So when IB is constant, IC, which is equal to beta times of IB, it is also going to be constant. So thus we can fix the Q point in on the DC load line. So this is the use of VCC and RB in the circuit. And coming to the RE, another important term, resistor in the circuit is RE. RE provides stabilization to the operating point. Whenever with the help of a negative feedback, that is going to provide a voltage, negative feedback, the voltage which produced across RE will be feeding back to the input as a negative feedback.